We are cooking some nice chicken foot soup, guys. Man, beautiful.
Yellow yam.
Right, alright.
I cut them very small. Look guys, I like to cut them small. And this is Pisapuna yam, it's Ghanaian. Yeah, Puna yam is the nicest yam.
We're gonna put some bay leaves in it.
Good on here. Nice yams, yellow yam. And Puna yam. Nice. Yeah. You just boil the kettle, you can pour a little water in. Yeah, put some water. Give it enough soup. Guys. What's redder? You don't need no redder. Guys, this is my base. This is only dumpling go in this flour. Nothing else. No meat, no nothing. Just flour. I'm going to make some spinners. This is enough. Little salt. Water and then mix it around. This man say making flour the other day. He think he can make better dumpling than me. Look guys, see how quickly? Right, look at this. No more water needed, and then it's just gonna knead it out. Strong arms. Look guys, I already knead it. And this is the spinners, just put little spinners. You don't need big round dumpling, you just need the little spinners in soup. Stir the pot at the same time that the spinners them doesn't stuck together. Guys, I add some spring onion, 2 bunches of spring onion, and some thyme. Give it the flavor. It's nice flavor. Okay, then let me when it cooks. Yeah. You don't need some water for this, so it's a bit down. What do you think?
Yeah.
Think this needs water?
Yeah, put some more water.
So this is how you cook it, guys. When you see it drying down, just keep on adding some boiling water. Yeah. Let me wash up a bit, then we start seasoning it up. So cook a little bit. So,
Wow, look at soup, guys.
this is pot soup. This is what give the pot flavor. Just sprinkle it over in the pot and stir it.
Let me see this one. Guys,
Put
look at nice soup.
Some little of this. Then we're just gonna put a little all-purpose. Then Wow. Wow. You have to stir it, guys, that's it doesn't itch in the bottom. I'm gonna taste the pot to see how is it. Give it a little bit more. That's mine. Thank you for watching us, guys. Keep on watching.